Hello Xellux, impress your boss with dynamic border. Let's dive. Remember, download the data site in the description below by clicking on the link to download it if you're watching on our YouTube channel. If not, go to our YouTube channel and download the data set. Let's go ahead. Now what we want to do today is to first thing you need to do is to align this. Go to our font here, then click on all border. Then the next thing is align audio data down to actually add our dynamic border. Go to conditional formatting, new row here, then click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. Then click here. Then what you need to do is to click on Citrate, which says representative, the header. Then remove the dollar sign in the middle there, so that you'll be able to the particular formula will be able to apply to all the cells. Then what I need to add is hold my shift and add less than and greater than there, so that is called non-equal to condition. You understand? Then you need to create an empty space or add our empty cells there, and that's what we just need to do. So you can format it now, then click on this outline. You can see the preview here. You can click OK and you can click OK. So let's test it now. So I'll just say fight piece here. I'll press enter. You can see that it's actually dynamic. The next one is Fiona famous. Enter. So that's it. It's actually working. Like, share and subscribe. See you next time. Light out.